Hello everybody, it's Dana Sullivan, your Stampin' Chick, here with you for another Make It Monday, and today's video is going to be absolutely fabulous. I don't know about you, but when I found out about this technique, my mind was completely blown. I know that those of you who have the Snow is Glistening bundle, you have this snowflake die here, which is absolutely gorgeous. You love it more than most of the dies you've got, but weeding this little delicate paper out of this incredibly detailed die is enough to make you want to pull your hair out, right? Okay, well, you are not going to want to miss today's video because I am going to show you a simple and easy way to get these dies to pop out the die cut quickly and easily and keep your hair intact. Here we go. Alright, so of course you're going to need whatever detailed die you're wanting to cut out. In this case, I'm going to cut this gorgeous snowflake because I just love it. And normally, you would need your Big Shot sandwich, right? And then you would need your precision plate in here because this is a detailed die. Well, I'm going to show you how to cut this out, and you don't even have to use the precision plate. You're not going to need this either, believe it or not. You're not going to have to scrub the die to get it to pop out. This is going to be super simple and easy. You really are going to love it. Here's what you're going to need. Dryer sheets, my friends. Dryer sheets. In this case, I have 4 dryer sheets that I've stacked together on top of each other. And you can see that I've already used it a few times. They're perfectly usable for I don't know how many different impressions, but I've done 20 already, and this is still holding strong. So I might just keep this for a while and see exactly how many impressions I can get out of it. You never know. So you're going to need your dryer sheets, so set those off to the side. Of course, you're going to need your die and your piece of paper. So I'm going to put that on there. And then I've got my magnetic plate, I have my base plate, and just to show you how wonderfully it works, I'm not even going to use the precision plate. I'm going to put that down, I'm going to put the top down, and because my table wobbles, I'm not going to die cut it right here in front of you, but you'll be able to hear me. I'm going to be right behind this table, okay? I'll be right back. Alright, surely you heard me grinding and groaning back there. Okay, so I'm pulling the cut piece off of the platform, and you can see that it cut out the frame nicely, but it's still attached in here. Now, of course, you can see it's cut all the way through, but my goodness, this die really holds on to all of those little pieces. Now, you can put it on the sponge or the foam, and you can and get the pieces. Inevitably, you're still going to have a few pieces left that you're going to have to pick out. Okay? Get it out of the way. We're not doing that. Alright, here's what you're going to do. You've got your platform. You've got your base. Put the dryer sheets down next. Put your die down on top of that. Now, we've not picked it. We've not tried to get it out. We've not done anything but stick it back on top. And then we're going to put this plate back on top. I'm going to run it through the Big Shot one more time. Alright guys, here we go. The moment of truth. Are you ready? live on video. I'm not editing this, so you'll be able to see. Okay, here we go. We're going to pull the dryer sheet up, and at this point the dye is semi-attached to it. And we're going to just pick, and look at that. There is the die cut and all of the pieces. Well, 2 little pieces. But we'll set that off to the side and we'll get it. Okay, so here you go. And then at this point, you're just going to pick, and it will come right off. And you have the added bonus of your die cut smelling fresh and clean. Alright guys, I know that you are going to really, really love this technique. I was absolutely floored when I found out about it. So I know that if I didn't know, probably there are some other of my viewers maybe that don't know. And so I hope that this will help you out. I hope that it will help you to love your dyes again. And look at that. Beautiful, right? Very good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this Make It Monday video. And I hope that you try this technique out and that it works well for you. And leave a comment down below. I love chatting with you guys. I hope that you will check out my Facebook page, Stampin' Chicks Stampin' Up. And I've also started a new group on Facebook that's called Stampin' Chicks Stampin' Up Group. Nice and simple, right? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you next week. Bye-bye.